Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start a new concept, that is application of quadratic equations for solving problems on edges. Okay, before this we have seen problems on numbers, problem on speed, distance, and time, and now third point is application of quadratic equations for solving problems on edges. Okay, so from that, first example is 1 year ago, a man was 8 times as old as his son. Now his age is equal to the square of his son's age. Find their present ages. Find their present ages. Find out present age. Okay. So solution very simple it is. What is given? See, 1 year ago a man was 8 times as old as his son. Okay. So first what we will consider? Let the son's age 1 year before, 1 year ago be x years. Okay, the son's age 1 year ago be x years. Okay, now what is given? 1 year ago a man was 8 times as old as his son. As old as his son. Okay, so man's age 1 year ago. 1 year ago. What is man's age? Is equal to 8 times as old as his son. So at that time son's age was x years. So his age is 8x. Okay. Now his age is equal to the square of his son's age. Now is what? After 1 year. Now is what? After 1 year. So we need to find out now present age. Okay. So present age of son. Present age of son is equal to x is the age one year before. So present age is x plus 1 years. Okay. Now present age of man. Okay. 1 year before it was 8x, so 8x plus 1. Okay. So these are present ages. Now what is given? See. Now his age means whose age? Man's age is equal to the square of his son's age. Okay, so how we can write this equation? Now man's age 8x plus 1 is equal to the square of his son's age. Son age is x plus 1 its square. Okay, so this is the required equation. Okay, so now 8x plus 1 is equal to x square plus 1 plus 2x. X square plus 1 plus 2x. Okay, so we can x square is here and take x square plus 1 plus 2x minus 8x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, this we have taken in RHS. Okay, so plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled. X square minus 8x 2x minus 8x is minus 6x is equal to 0. Okay, so here from this we can take x common, x minus 6 is equal to 0. So first x is equal to 0 and or x is equal to 6. X is equal to 0 or x is equal to 6. Okay, so the son's age 1 year ago x years. X years means 6 years. So after that present age of son is x plus 1. Present age of son is equal to x plus 1, that is 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 years. And present age of man is equal to 8x plus 1, that is 8x plus 1, that is 8 into 6 plus 1. 8 6 are 48 plus 1 49 years. Okay, 0 we can't consider because this is x is the age 1 year before. So 1 year before definitely age cannot be 0. Understood? So this we cannot consider. Okay, so x is equal to, by taking x is equal to 6, we got present age of son is 7 years and present age of man is 49 years. Okay.
Okay, second problem is the sum of ages of the father and his son is 45 years. 5 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 124. Determine their present ages. Okay, we have to decide their present ages. Okay, now we will think about the first statement. The sum of ages of a father and his son is 45 years. Okay, sum of ages of father and his son is 45 years. So first we need to think about the both the ages, son and father. So let the present age of father be x years. Okay, if present age of father is x years, what will be son's age? Then the son's age is equal to, what is son's age? Total is 45 years. From that x we need to subtract. So 45 minus x. Son's age is 45 minus x. Okay. Now 5 years ago, these are present ages. So 5 years ago, the product of their ages was 124. So we need to think about 5 years before. Okay. So 5 years ago, father's age is equal to x minus 5. Okay, and 5 years ago, son's age will be 45 minus x minus 5. 45 minus x minus 5, because this is present age. Before 5 years we are thinking, so 45 minus x minus 5. So 45 minus 5 is 40 minus x. Okay, now what is given? See, 5 years ago, the product of their ages was 120. Product of their ages. So x minus 5. So according to the condition, x minus 5 into 40 minus x is equal to 120. Okay, x minus 5 into 40 minus x is equal to 120. So now we will find out product here. So 40 into x, 40x minus x square minus 4 5s are 20, 200 minus into minus, it will be plus 5x is equal to 124. Okay, so now here we can see here minus x square, 40x plus 5x, 40x plus 5x is 45x minus x square minus, this is 124 minus 200, we will take that side, plus 200. Okay, so 45x minus x square is equal to 324. So now we will bring in the proper form. So minus x square, suppose we will take that side, then x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. Okay, so now we have a quadratic equation. We need to factorize it, then we will get our answer. Okay, so x square minus 45x plus 324, we need to factorize 324, we need to factorize in such a way the sum of both the factors should get minus 45. Okay, so factors will get minus 36 and minus 9. Okay, minus 36 and minus 9 will be minus 36 and minus 9 will be plus 324 and sum will be minus 45. Okay, so I am taking that x square minus 36x minus 9x minus 36x minus 9x plus 324. Okay, so from this we can take x common, x in bracket x minus 36 minus 9 in bracket x minus 36. Okay, 9 is 27, the remaining 5 54, 9 6 are 54. So x minus 36 and x minus 9. Okay, x minus 36 and x minus 9. Okay, so x is equal to 36 or x is equal to 9. Now what they are asking, determine their present ages. Okay, when father's age is 36 years, that time son's age will be 45 minus x. 45 minus x is 45 minus 36 is 9 years. Okay, and when if you will consider father's age can't be 9 years. Okay, so 45 minus 9 it will be wrong answer. Okay, so 45 minus 9 we cannot consider. Understood? So okay, so here when father's age is 36 years. Okay, that time son's age will be 45 minus x, that is 45 minus 36, that is 9 years. Okay, and this is the correct answer, 36 and 9. If 9 you will take here, father's age can't be 9, understood, and 45 minus 9 will be 36. Okay, so that is a wrong answer. So this is correct answer for 36 and 9 years. Okay, see here our third example is 7 years ago Varun's age was 5 times the square of Swati's age. 3 years hence Swati's age will be 2/5 of Varun's age. Find their present ages. Okay, we have to find out present ages. Now think about the first statement. What is given? 7 years ago Varun's age was 5 times the square of Swati's age. Thinking about 7 years before. Okay, so what we will do here, let the Swati's age before 7 years be x. Okay, 7 years ago her age was x, Swati's age is x. Now 7 years ago Varun's age was 5 times the square of Swati's age. So what is Varun's age? Varun's age 7 years ago. 7 years ago. It depends on this. So 5 times the square of Swati's age. So 5x. Okay. 3 year hence they are telling us. So 3 year hence means from now. Okay. So we need to find out present ages. Okay. So what is present age? Swati's present age of Swati. Present age of Swati. Okay, this is before 7 years. So 7 years ago. So present age is x plus 7. Now this is also 7 years ago. So present age of Varun. Present age of Varun is equal to 5x square plus 7. Okay, x plus 7, 5x square plus 7. Okay, so these are present ages. Now what they are asking, see, 3 years hence. Okay, so after 3 years, now we need to think about after 3 years. Okay, so after 3 years, Swati's age is equal to x plus 7. This is present age. After 3 years, so we need to add 3 in that. So x plus 10. After 3 years, Swati's age will be x plus 10 years. Okay. At the same time, after 3 years hence, Swati's age will be 2/5 of Varun's age. So we need to add 3 in Varun's age also. Okay. So after 3 years, Varun's age. After 3 years, Varun's age is equal to what they have told us. 3 years hence, Swati's age will be 2/5 of Varun's age. So Varun's present age is 5x square plus 7. So 5x square plus 7 plus 3. So 5x square plus 10. Okay. Now we will form an equation according to the given information. What they have told us, 3 year hence Swati's age. What is Swati's age? X plus 10. X plus 10 is equal to 2 by 5 of Varun's age. Varun's age is 5x square plus 10. Okay, so this is our required equation. Now we will multiply by this 5 here in LHS. So 5 into x, 5x plus 10 5s are 50 is equal to 5 2s are 10x square plus 20. Okay, so now we will collect like terms. 10x square plus 20 minus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. So 10x square minus 5x plus 20 minus 50 plus 20 minus 50 will be minus 30 is equal to 0. All the three terms are divisible by 5. So we will take its reduced term. So 5 2s are 10, 2x square minus x minus 5 6 are 30. So 0. Now we need to factorize. We have a quadratic equation. Minus 6 2s are minus 12. Minus 12 we need to factorize in such a way the sum should get minus 1. So factors are very easy. Minus 4 and 3. Minus 4 into 3 minus 12 and minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. Okay. So we will put 2x square minus 4x minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So here we will take 2x common, x minus 2 minus 1 x minus 4x plus 3x minus 4x plus 3x. Okay. So here we will take 3 plus 3 common. So x minus 2 is equal to 0. So first bracket x minus 2 and 2x plus 3. Okay. So x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 is the correct answer, and 2x is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2, which is not possible. Okay, because that we are thinking about h. Okay, so x is equal to minus 3 by 2 is not possible. So x is equal to 2 we will think about that. So present age. What is present age? Present age of Swati. Present age of Swati is equal to x plus 7, that is 2 plus 7, that is 9 years, and present age of Varun, present age of Varun is equal to 5x square plus 7. So 5 into 2 square plus 7. So 5 2 square is 4. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 7, 27 years. Okay, so Varun's present age is 27 years and Swati's present age is 9 years. Okay, so here we have seen some problems which are dependent on the ages. Okay, so solve the same problems again in your notebook and given worksheet also. Thank you.